Okay, this is T Mauer Lime Mortar New Shale, and it's been pressed in with fingers with latex gloves on and then left for 18 hours to dry, and it's gone to a crisp coat, a soft crisp coat. And leave it too long or it'll go to a hard crisp coat and it'll be difficult to get it off. And then we just take a little brush like this and we just pull it across, and it takes off the sand that has risen to the surface. And just keep going with it. You can use a churn brush to whack it if you want to, but I found that doing it this way is a little bit more delicate. And as you start to bring it off, you see the flecks of the aggregate stay behind. Okay, and although we're doing a very quick one now, what we can do is then take a soft dustpan brush and brush over. Yeah, keep going back, find another little bit that's not got enough exposed, pull a little bit more up to the surface. Yeah, and away you go. Now if we come back up here, okay, you can see one that's been done earlier on and is now starting to harden off. All the water's being driven out, or is evaporating off it. And if we come up here, you can see a piece, and zoom in a little bit, go a little bit closer. Yeah, that's started to calcify. It's going white. So we can just occasionally keep brushing over the top of this and it'll just polish it up a little bit more and more. And as it calcifies and turns back to chalk, that's eventually the finish it will have over the whole wall.